If you drive a 2018, 2019, or a 2020 Jeep Wrangler, this is the proximity key that you're going to need. Now, this proximity key comes in 3 configurations. It comes with no remote buttons. It comes in a 3-button and a 4-button configuration. Furthermore, this proximity key has a flip function on it to flip out the blade. What I'm going to show you today is how to change the battery in this proximity key. First thing that we're going to do is take a screwdriver and we're going to insert it into the slot here. And just pop the clamshell design in half here. Just pop that up and then it'll pull right off. And once we do that, it'll expose the battery, and this battery is a CR2450. And in order to replace this battery, there's another slot right here. We take our same flathead screwdriver and it just pops right out, as you can see. And so when it comes time to replace it back, plus side up as always, this just slides right back in, and then the clamshell goes right back on like so. So pretty quick and easy. I'm Roger, ReKey Xpress Locksmith. Thank you.